My name is Carrie Grieve, and I'm a line worker for the green team at Elkay.
Hi, my name's Brandy Rathburn, and I work here at Elkay Manufacturing. I help the team when they need help. I tell them where to go if we're having issues with the lines. I help them move things along if there's issues on the lines. I try and resolve it for them, getting parts, hands-on when they need an extra person.
Betty Schrader. I work in fabrication. I bend the parts for the lines and do the basins. This is a draw press. This is how we form the basins, and then they go through another set of dies so that they can go out to the line.
Hi, my name is Heather Barker, and I work for Elkay Manufacturing. I am the training coordinator for our Lanark and Savanna facility. I do onboarding with new hires. I do orientations, hands-on. I set up training programs for new hires and senior employees. This here is units that we use when I have new hires that start, regardless if they've worked in manufacturing or not. We come back here and we build some components, and then we will put them in a unit just to give them a good idea of how we do stuff, introduce them to a lot of our tools that we have to use for safety and ergo reasons.
I stay active. I'm very active. It's fast-paced. I'm up there in age, so it helps keep me younger. I'm not one that sits behind a desk. I just like to stay physically active. The hours, the people, the fast pace, it keeps us busy. I like to learn, chance for advancement.
I like the fast-paced environment. I like the people. Everybody's here is great. We get along with everybody very well. And the teamwork's excellent.
I like the thrill of it, learning different things, never doing the same thing, learning a job from beginning to end. I pretty much have been doing manufacturing my whole life. It's just something, it's more of a thrill for me.
I like manufacturing. I've had jobs before, and an office job for years, and you go home and you just don't feel, I guess, fulfilled. So manufacturing, I love it that you interact with people every day, all day. Manufacturing, I feel you get to see the end product. And our end product here at Elkay, everybody sees it all over the world. And it's a very satisfying thing when your family is on vacation and they send you a picture of a water cooler. They're like, yep, I made that. My mom made that.
I like that they also rotate every 2 hours, so you're never at the same job all day long. Every 2 hours, you rotate to a different station.
Be ready for fast-paced days, stressful days, getting your hands dirty.
I would say if you really enjoy learning a product from beginning to end, manufacturing would be the thing to do, because you can learn like how water coolers are built, and it's a beginning to end process.
I feel manufacturing is a career path where there are many different avenues to take for your growth. I started on the production floor and moved myself up to different skills, to a team lead, to the training coordinator.
I love the people I work with. I really like working here. It's a good job.
The values. They really value each employee individually. If you're having issues, you can go in and talk to HR, and they will help you through whatever issues those are. They're always working with you, working with your team. Any way that they can provide any support or assistance, they're there.
There's a lot of different things I like about Elkay. I like how they treat their employees well. This is the first manufacturing place I've worked where they actually do things for the people. Like, for instance, we get pumpkins on Halloween. You know, not many other places do that. So I really enjoy my job.
Elkay, I love the product. Like I said, I love the product that everybody in the world needs a water cooler. They are all over, and it is good. It's clean, healthy water that we provide for everybody. And one thing about Elkay is every day when you come in, there's a new challenge. there is something we are going to be doing to get ahead of our competitors and to make our product the best water cooler around.